Sorry for the interruption, and we will resume the discussion. Here in this question, in a certain code, computer is written as DPNQVUFS. How is laptop is written in that same exact code? Using the same method, same pattern, how will you coded the laptop as? Okay, first of all, you have to find the relation between these two, pattern between these two. So, if you see this alphabet separately, C becomes D, C becomes D, and O becomes P, M becomes N, P becomes Q. So the pattern here they have used is plus 1. That means the upcoming letter C, D, O, P, M, and Q, P. That means plus 1 letter. Plus 1 letter. Same letter you have to use. Laptop. Here L plus 1, LM, A plus B, P, Q, T, U, O, P, P, Q. So MB, QU, PQ. MBQ, MBQ, yeah, MBQ, okay, MBP is here. So other two options have been eliminated. And again NBQ, U, PQ, PQ. Here QP, so it is also eliminated. Option D is your answer. Option D is your answer. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. In this given figure, find out how many triangles are there in the given figure. In the given figure, find out how many triangles are there. Is it visible properly? Is the clarity there? Or else should I overdraw it? It's better if I overdraw it. Okay. Now I think it will be easy for you guys to find out how many triangles are there in this image. Is the image clear now? Is it possible to identify how many triangles are there? Come on. So for this I can give you 1 minute. Since we are going in online, I can give you 1 minute to solve it. 1 minute. Make it quick. Ashok Kumar, Jal, Shamuha Priya, Delta, Sri Murugan, Alpha, Vaishnav, Delta, okay, 8, Delta, or Alpha, which one it is? Or Bravo, or Charlie, come on, be sure of your answer. Okay, Mohit, let me check. Okay, let's solve it. So they have asked us to find what shape it is. They have to ask us to find the shape triangle. The shape triangle. That means here in this square, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside it is 5 as well. 5 as well. Here it is 6 and 7, and this one bigger triangle is 8, and here it is 9. It is 10 here, and 11, 12 here, and 13. Apart from this, is there any other triangle that you can find in this image? I have already found 13 so that you cannot say that the answer is 12, because I already found 13 triangles there. Either it can be 13 or 14 as of now. If you can't find an extra triangle, you have to go with 13 alpha. So here the answer is nothing but 13. Alpha is your answer. Alpha is your answer. So here it is a arithmetic aptitude question. Here you have to do some calculations. Okay, do some calculations. If A stands for plus. Okay, A stands for plus. B stands for minus. C stands for subtraction. C stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. So using these codes, you have to find the result of this given numbers. Tell me the answer. What's the answer for this one? Come on, quick. You have 30 seconds to find the answer. One guys answer. Comment your answers below. Okay, let me write the numbers. If you can't see that properly, I will write the numbers. 74A bracket 17C 2B 24 bracket close B2 A 16 C3 B8 is equal to how much? B8 is equal to how much? So the people are saying the answer is 108, 408, 109, 408. That doesn't even in the option itself. How can you say 408? So 108 and 408. So it may be typo. Okay, fine. 109. Okay, 108. Okay, 108 even not in the answer. Ashok Kumar. So much typos. Fine. 108 is not in the answer, in the option. Let's check it out once again. Okay, we will solve here. 74, A means plus. A means plus. Okay, bracket. According to board most rule, you have to first solve what is in the bracket. So 7C, 2B, 24. What is the value of B? What is the B means? Minus. This B means minus. C means into. 17 into 12 is equal to how much? 17 into 12? 17 into 2 is 34 minus 24 is equal to 10. So in this bracket you have to place 10. Okay. Then B. B means what? Division. Division. 2. A means plus. 16. C means multiplication. 3. B means again subtraction of 8. Subtraction of 8. So 10 divided by 2. According to board most rule, division comes first, then follows the multiplication, then follows the subtraction of addition and subtraction. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and after that 75 plus 5 plus 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is equal to how much? 16 3s are 32, 48. 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 8. 48 minus 8. Let me write it clearly here. 74 plus 5 plus 48 minus 8. 48 minus 8. Okay, 48 minus 8. So 74 plus 5 is equal to 79. 79 plus 48 minus 8 is 40. That means 70 plus 40 is equal to how much? 70 plus 40 is equal to 110 plus 9, 119. 119 is your answer. 119 is your answer. Understand everyone? You have to use the board mass rule. You have to use the board mass rule. Seventy-four plus 5, 79 plus 40 is equal to 119. 119 is your answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. 5 friends P, B, C, G and H are sitting around a round table facing the center. A round table facing a center. Okay, so round table means okay, this is a round table facing the center. Who all are sitting? 5 friends P, B, C, G and H, and they have given the condition. What are the conditions are? Condition number 1 is H is seated to the immediate right of C. So first of all assume that this one is C. This one is C. And what they are saying, H is seated. Okay, H is immediate right of C. Immediate right of C. So immediate right means it has to be here only, right? It has to be here. Who? It is H. H is seated to the immediate right of C. C is here. Okay, C is here. Immediate right, H is there. Okay, immediate right, H is there. Since they are facing this side. If they are facing outside, immediate right will be in this place. Immediate right will be in this place. So first let me place those marks. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. This is C and this one is H. What is the second statement? What is the second condition? Right of C. B is seated third to the left of H. Third to the left of H. This one is H to the left. Third. 1, 2, 3. Who is seated? Who is seated? B. B is third to the left of H. Left of H. 1, 2, third. So it is B. B is seated there. And P is not the immediate neighbor of C. P is not the immediate neighbor. Immediate neighbor means he is not seated along with C. That means he is here. Who won't be seated? P won't be seated. That means obviously P will be in between B and H. That means what? Who is left hand? Who is left over? Who is left over? P, B, H, C. G is left over, right? So G will be coming here. G will be coming here. And what they are asking in the question, who is seated to the immediate left of P? Immediate left of P. So P is here, immediate left. This one is P is right side and this one is left side. So what will be the answer here? It is H. Very good everyone. So most of you people said answer is H or no. Who mostly commented. Okay. So answer is option A, alpha H. Okay. Let's go on to the next question. 7 people, previously 5 people, but here it is 7 people. L, M, N, O, P, Q and R are sitting in a straight line. Sitting in a straight line. So assume this is a straight line. Okay. Adjacent to one another. That means they are sitting here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. facing the north, facing the north. So they are facing here because always north is in the front. Okay, facing the north. Facing the north means this must be their right side and this must be their left side. Okay, not necessarily in the given order, not necessarily in the given order. That means this is not the order that you have to follow. Okay, so if you are given in the same order, means there is no need for us to find the answer. You can easily use that order to tell the answer, right? So here P is sitting third to the left of Q. P is sitting. Okay, first statement is P is sitting third. P is sitting third to the left of Q. Left of Q. P is sitting third to the left of Q. First statement is done only, right? P is sitting third to the left of Q. Okay. So that means I can assume that 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to put this Q as here and third to the left means 1, 2, 3. Who is seated? P is seated. P is seated. Okay, P is seated. In the next statement, what they are saying? The next statement, N is an immediate neighbor of O and Q. N is immediate neighbor of O and Q. That means O, Q, in between N has to come. In between N has to come. In between N has to come. Okay. So this is the second condition. What is the third condition? Keep the result. Okay, keep the result. L is sitting third to the right of Q. Third to the right of Q. 1, 2, 3. This is the third to the right of Q. Who is sitting? L is sitting. L is sitting. Again, R is the immediate neighbor of L and M. R is the immediate neighbor of L and M. That means L and M is here means it has to be R. R, M, R, L. Okay, because since L is in the right side, so M, R. M, R. Immediate neighbor. R is the immediate neighbor of L and M. Now you can apply this. N is the immediate neighbor of Q and O. N is the immediate neighbor of Q and O. Q is here. That must be O here. O will be here. And N must be in between. So now we have framed the seating arrangement. What they are asking, who is sitting to the immediate right of P? Immediate right of P means who is seated? Immediate right means, because this one is left side, this one is right side. Immediate right means next to the right. So answer option B. Answer option B, O. Okay. Any doubt in this? Shall we move on to the next question? Yeah, bravo. Everyone, you got bravo. So here, select the correct option based on the statement and the sequence of action. Here is course of action. Course of action. This type belongs to course of action. Statements and sequences of action given below. So first you have to read the statement and then you have to read the course of action. Then you have to decide whether the course of action is suitable for the statement. Okay. So statement 1, like dengue has engulfed the majority of the population in Delhi in the year 2023, and there has been cases of deaths also. So this is the statement, okay, regarding a dengue infection. Dengue is a disease. I hope everyone knows that. Okay, come on. What mosquito spreads dengue? Comment below. Let's see how many of you are good in GK as well, not only in intelligence. What mosquito spreads dengue? Let's see how many of you comment here. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll finish it quickly. Female anaphylaxis, yeah, very good. Or Aedes. Which one is female anaphylaxis or female Aedes? Because anaphylaxis is also a vector of another disease. Anaphylaxis mosquito is also a vector of another disease. Okay, fine, we will finish here now. Okay, here they are saying the course of action is precautionary measures should be taken every year before the onset of diseases in the form of fogging and awareness campaigns. Medical facilities are also needed to be upgraded as the diseases are changing their mutant variation and becoming more and more fatal. Okay, so they are speaking about the precautionary and the enhancement of the medical facilities. So these two statements, these two actions also represent the statement. So both 1 and 2 follows. So A is older than B, but B is younger than C. Okay. So here they are talking about the seating arrangement like that only. Okay. With this we can finish it. A is older than B. Okay. A is older than B, but younger than C. Okay. Younger than C. So draw it like this. Okay. D is younger than E, but older than A. D is younger than E. D is younger than E but older than A. Older than A but younger than E. Which means B, C, A, D. D is younger than, that means E will come over the D. Okay. If C is younger than D, C is younger than D. See here. Younger than D. Who is the oldest of all? Who is the oldest of all? Who is the oldest of all? Option alpha. Sorry. Option delta E is your answer. Option delta E is your answer. So with this, we will finish the today's session. Once again, thank you for participating here in this live class. See you again in the next class. Tada, bye bye.